Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Because I'm doing great here. So today I'm going to be preparing this chilled fruit drink for this hot weather. You know, the weather has been so hot for some time now, and at times you don't like to take any fizzy drink. This is just what you need. So I'm going to be using pineapple, watermelon and cucumber, then a dash of lemon. So I'll just cut in watermelon, cut it out. We are going to be blending. Cut it out, take out the seed, drop in the blender. Continue. So I'm just cutting the watermelon into the blender. Take out the seeds, but if you like the seed, you can leave the seed in there. I'm going to be making two types of chilled drinks you can take, natural drink you can take this season. So I'm done with the watermelon, and I'll take the pineapple. Try and remove the thorns when you are peeling the pineapple so it doesn't pierce your tongue or your lip when you are drinking. Cut into small chunks to enable your blender blade to blend. Then I take the cucumber, I'll peel the back, take out the seed and add it into the blender. So I'm done peeling now. I'm done blending, so I'll get my sieve and a bowl and then sieve it out. So awesome. Can you see what we have? Just take a small spatula and then stir it for the liquid to drain out very well. I'll get my glasses. So, whoa, I've almost poured out everything. Oh boy, I would have poured it into a bottle, but not to worry. So this is our chilled drink. You can even add ice block. So for you to complete this, you have to get your lemon and add a dash of it. So just add some lemon. So guys, I've added the lemon and you are good to go. So nourishing. So nourishing. Please, if you are passing for the first time, subscribe to my channel. If you've been following me, thanks so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing, and keep watching. Do yours and let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. So guys, this is the second drink I told you about. It's called Tigernut. Take it chilled, very nourishing, so much nutrient in it. So it is done with coconut, tiger nut, dates and ginger. So you break your coconut, take out the liquid, take it out from the shell and cut them into chunks so to help your blender blade. So I've washed thoroughly now. I'll pour them in the blender. Then this is the tiger nut. You can buy the tiger nut wet or dry. But the reason why I buy mine dry to soak, because I don't know the kind of water they use to soak it for you. So you buy the dry one, you come to your house, wash it and soak it for some hours before you use. So I've been soaking this one out for some time and I've washed it thoroughly and I'm going to add it with the coconut. Then of course the dates. You also wash the date very well, soak it so you can bring out this because it has seed inside. So when you soak it, it softens it so you can bring out the seed in it. So this is the seed of the date. I've taken it out now. Make sure your blender is a strong one before you embark on this journey. If not, anything you see, you collect. So I've added the dates. So this is the ginger. I'll just cut it into bits and add. The ginger is for flavor. So you add enough water. Then you blend. I have to add more water because the blade is stiff. So I'm done blending now. If you have your cheesecloth, you can pour it into the cheesecloth to get out the juice. But if you don't have, you can use a sieve like I'm going to use now. So this is what we have. Pour in some water to take out the remaining one in the blender. So you keep stirring it to drain out the water. You can see the liquid at the bottom. This is our Tigernut drink. Very, very, very nourishing. I'll just add some water to take out all the juice in it. But don't over add your water, if not it won't be tasty again. So when you are done, put in a bottle and in the fridge to cool, and you will enjoy it so very well. Please, if you are yet to hit the like button, please do that now. Keep sharing, keep liking, and then keep watching, please. So you can serve this to your guests this festive season, or you can make it at home as a family and take. So I think all the juice is out now. So I'll turn into a glass cup. Oh. So guys, this is what we have here. Tigernut drink. You see it? So let me test it. It's so creamy. It's so yummy. Please try yours and let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye bye.